We had a beautiful day where we could even raise some funds for the alumni. I feel till now that has been the only big fundraising activity. Of course, those funds have been preserved more to treat any cancer patients. If you do come across any cancer patients who are poor, please let them know that our alumni is still there to help them. We are definitely going to take care of any patient who requires chemotherapy. The money reserved is only for chemotherapy, for nothing else. I mean, keep that in mind. Since taking over in the last 30 months, I feel I've been really blessed that we have had a guiding force like Payangle sir with us. And let me tell you that right from the depth of my heart, I'm indeed indebted to whatever sir has been guiding us. I call him the grandfather of our alumni, and it is because of him we are here. Sir, I really am indebted for whatever you have been doing for all of us. I mean, you require a standing applause for that, please. I mean, sir has been very kind, and I mean, can't believe that he's an 87-year-old man and still with us, you know, like a 30-year-old. So actually deserves a standing applause for this. Other person is Mr. Lala Phillips. He's been the father of the alumni. I call him the father. He's been the pillar and behind for every event. He's always there with us. So this terms were coined in the last alumni meet actually. And I thought I should just remind everyone that yes, we have a father and a grandfather. So we have a very strong family. And I'm sure in the future, whatever was discussed in the AGM, all of us will come forward and try to do our best for the alumni. The base of our alumni is basically something like giving back to the society. This is what the alumni stands for. We want to take care of our teachers, of our non-teaching staff, of the society. You are aware that we have been not just taking care of our school, we are even taking care of some other schools in Nasik. And by, if we all can expand, I would say it's like a baton being given from Nasik to all the other districts, to all the other countries, and very soon we can have an alumni meet at various places in the country or even abroad. Why not? I mean, all of us can very well, the Singapore people can very well arrange an alumni meet, and I'm sure many of us would like to go there and stay in Singapore. Am I right or no? So please let the message go across. I'm sure that my friends sitting in Singapore or USA are listening to this. Please organize this meet. We are all ready to come from Nasik. And even if I feel 20 of us are able to go for such a meet, it will be fantastic. And I mean, we can be worldwide.
Myself will be 21st.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. Definitely, sir. So I just hope that we keep growing and growing. Sir has put the responsibility on my head again for the next 3 years also. So I feel, I hope we can do much more than this. I am very happy that today we have a crowd of almost 450 to 500. And most of them have spot registrations, but fine. I mean, if you are informed very in advance, it does make our life a little easier in organizing such events. So I hope next time we can have more of early bird registrations. We will give more discount for early bird, that's what I have realized this time. And on spot we will try to make it little more, because it's a little difficult from organizing point of view. You can understand our problems. But don't worry, you will be taken good care of today evening also. You won't have any problem. And we have discussed some of the future projects which we have, you know, like things like benevolent fund, insurance policy for all our non-teaching staff. I feel very proud to say that Naveen Dutt has already sent a check of 5,000 to insure the non-teaching staff of this school. I am sure many of us in this crowd are very much would like to and are eligible and definitely can sponsor some amount. So I request all of you to please contact our treasurer anytime today. And there are some donations which have already been promised. Like Dinesh Patel is still declared a big amount in the last meet. Mr. Dev Roy from Calcutta has announced an amount of 1 lakh rupees. So we're just waiting for the ATG to go through. Once that is through, I feel it becomes much easier for people to donate to our alumni as a trust. And what else? I mean, I feel really indebted that all of you have gathered here. Enjoy the evening, have a great time. And I once again thank all of you for coming and making this a great day for our alumni. And I thank you once again. Thank you.
Chief guest of today's function, Mr. Surya Prakash, DGM, and Chairman of HAWRC. On this occasion of reunion of HIS School Alumni Association 2011-12, I welcome all respected principals on the dais. Principal Payangle, first principal of this school, Principal Pawar, Principal Mrs. Parnerkar Madam, Principal Kathe Sir, and also I welcome on this wonderful and colorful evening, and also I congratulate the Chairman of HL School Alumni Association, Dr. Pankaj Gupta, Vice Chairman Dinesh Patel, Umesh Rohankar, Ramesh Talware and Ambadas Patil. General Secretary Praveen Gaikwad, Joint Secretaries Shailesh Kulkarni, Dipanjan Roy, Deepak Patade and Radhika Sant, Rasika Sant. Treasurer Rahul Bajaj, Joint Treasurers Shripad Hirve and Madhuri Patil, and all alumni members for coming home and arranging this reunion program. Also, I welcome the advisory committee of the members, Shri P.V. Deshmukh, MD, HL Nasik Division, former principals, Principal B.H. Payangle, Mrs. S.B. Parnerkar, Principal C.P. Kathe, and ex-student Lala Phillips, Joint Commissioner of Income Tax Department, Nasik. On behalf of Gokul Education Society, on behalf of HL Management of HL School Complex, and also on behalf of all the teachers, non-teaching staff, and the students of HL High School and Junior College. HL High School and Junior College is the unique institution in Maharashtra which is run under the able guidance of international educationist Sir Dr. M.S. Gosavi, and with the kind cooperation and valuable help of HL Management Nasik Division. For the name and fame and glory of the school, all the past students, all the present students are working hard, dedicated and devoted teaching and non-teaching staff, and all the principals sitting on the dais must be congratulated for their hard work and dedicated and devoted services after retirement also. Last from 42 years, this institution, HL High School and Junior College, working in this HL campus for all-sided development of the students. And this institution has given nearly about 10 to 15,000 global citizens to the society and world. And all these global citizens today came to home, came to the school, and together again, you people are made history on the school ground. All of you are knowing, last from 42 years, the culture and traditions set by the ex-principals, Mr. Payangle, Mr. Pawar, Mr. Kathe, Mr. P.A. Raut, Mr. N.K. Bhale Rao, we are following the same traditions. We are ahead in sports, drawing grade examinations, and many other aspects of the lives also. This association made history by performing many activities in all aspects of the society, considering the needs and problems of the society, such as arthritis management for senior citizens on the occasion of World Arthritis Day, Gnankosh Career Fair, State Level Conference for Gynecologists, Cancer Awareness Program, aiding of Ramabai Ambedkar School Girls, Seminar on Leadership and Stretch Management, Health Awareness Program of Diabetes Walking for Life, Working for Blind Welfare, and many activities. Our best wishes and blessings are always with you. I hope within a short period of this time, HL School Alumni Association will achieve excellence and #1 position in all the alumni in the world, and other will follow you. We are proud of you. I can see smile